Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GUI token. Name of the token is GUI space INU and ticker symbol is GUI. And this token is on the Aptos blockchain. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow. March 14th. We're going to go over the information on the GUI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the GUI token, I'm assuming it's pronounced GUI, it could be Guy, but that's how you pronounce SUI, and that is spelled S-U-I, so that's what I'm going to go with here. But yeah, basically, GUI INU is the top dog community token on Aptos, aimed at incentivizing and rewarding incentive developments through community grants, fostering a culture of fun vibes, high engagement, and camaraderie. A drive to integrate seamlessly across the Aptos ecosystem, supporting the growth of diverse use cases and ensuring continual revitalization within the ecosystem. Now, this token, it was just announced, they're getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting March 14th, which is tomorrow, at 6 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GUI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it's, like I said, it is on the Aptos blockchain, and they have a total supply of 777,777,777,777 tokens. So GUI is the unofficial community, utility, and social token that the whole Aptos ecosystem from every vertical will utilize. The token is designed to bring out the degen side of the users and leverage that. We will push the initiatives and ideas of developers and creators in the Aptos community. GUI INU could have been called just another meme token in the vast digital space of cryptocurrencies. Still, our core fundamental for GUI revolves around rewarding the whole Aptos ecosystem while bringing back the vibes that Aptos had around its mainnet launch. As every blockchain and ecosystem does, Aptos has seen the calm for a few months before the storm. The GUI token is bringing the storm back with a breath of fresh air into the token side of Aptos. GUI has amassed amazing support from a set of initial private Chad investors who are aligned with our vision and goals, and we're happy to share the initial support. They are from inside and outside the Aptos ecosystem, and their inputs in every path we take to the point we reached here have helped shape GUI as the community token that we want to see. So the context, why GUI? Well, the Aptos community needs a community token. A token that creates waves while not only holding the degen side, but also helping push the creators, innovators, and developers in the Aptos space. And this has to be done by a set of people who know Aptos through and through. There was a meticulous procedure of choosing the communities that get rewarded with GWE for sticking around in the worst times, with the founding teams that never gave up despite the conditions all around. Aptos came into life after the FTX collapse saga. It wasn't a smooth sail for projects after the initial Aptos airdrop that led to volumes in NFTs for a couple of months. A few communities and projects stood through these tough times, and we wanted to help them realize this. It's just the beginning of the good times. We are not here to save Aptos. Aptos does not need saving. The recent partnerships and technological advancements Aptos has made on its blockchain network have been superior to several competing blockchains. So GWE is here to make it evident among peers with delusional thoughts elsewhere that Aptos has one of the best ecosystems out there. It's just the beginning. And while GWE might sit right there as a meme coin, every initiative that someone on Aptos takes will get support from GWE and the holders of GWE. So, as a gesture of appreciation for their unwavering support, loyal Aptos users and NFT holders are eligible for a special airdrop of GWE tokens. This airdrop serves as a recognition of their commitment on the Aptos ecosystem and an acknowledgement of their pivotal role in its growth and success. The airdrop is not just a token distribution, it symbolizes a bond between Aptos projects and their most dedicated supporters. This gesture is designed to strengthen the community, fostering a sense of belonging and reinforcement that the idea and the success of Aptos is intrinsically tied into the passion and loyalty of its user base. Beyond the immediate benefits of the airdrop, GWE token aims to empower long-term Aptos users by providing them with new opportunities within the ecosystem. Whether through governance mechanisms, staking, or participation in exclusive events, GWE token holders will enjoy privileges that reflect their status as stalwart supporters of Aptos. This initiative underscores Aptos's commitment to creating a sustainable and rewarding ecosystem where every user, especially the veterans, play a pivotal role in shaping the future. NFT communities are to be rewarded with the GWE token airdrops, and it's not just the OG collections, including Aptos monkeys, Aptos robots, etc., but many other collections highlighted in different tiers. GWE has kept it fair from every Aptos NFT users who's held multiple NFTs because of their conviction for blockchain and the NFT projects here. Apart from this, long-term Aptos users who created volumes will also be eligible for the GWE airdrop. We've collected curated data from the protocols like Pancake Swap, Liquid Swap, etc. In the near future, GWE holds the potential for collaborations with other ecosystem partners on the Aptos blockchain. So the tokenomics, basically 16% of the tokens go to active Aptos NFTs, airdrop completed, so they've already done that. They've already completed seed stakers, which get 3% of the tokens, and sanctuary holders, which 1% of the tokens. And 15% of the tokens went to active stakers and users, and that airdrop is also completed. So 7% of the tokens go to LP, 5% future developments, 15% grant programs, 10% DAO, 19% early contributors, 5% marketing, 4% airdrops. And like I mentioned, the circulating supply is 777 billion, and then a whole bunch of sevens. Current circulating supply of the token, 333 billion, 333,333,333 tokens. So you can check out their Medium articles. You can find them at gweinu.medium.com. And you can check out their Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen right here, at gweinu on Aptos, and their Telegram as well, which is Redacted Aptos. And yeah, they have this new Mexc global listing starting tomorrow, so check them out on Mexc. And like I said, if you don't have an account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.